Test, 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 test.
From the very start, baby, I was tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart.
Today I did set up my Bluetooth intercom communicator in my new helmet. So how I did it? Check it out.
So let's just unbox the box. Let me show you what I have.
From the very start, baby, I was tired of you playing my broken heart. Now it's you that want to restart.
This is a small thing, but why the big package? Electronic things. Purchased this from Fair Auto. I think they are good. Sending this heavy bag to make sure this is okay. Here it is. This is what I have. This is one mic and two earphone and a mount and two Velcro. It has sticker inside. Few years back, bought the Bluetooth intercom system, the whole package. So I set up this helmet, but as I bought another helmet, this one, I wanted to set up this inside this helmet so that I can switch the intercom. I can switch this either helmet. I'm going to install Aegis E6 Plus. So this is the packet. So if this is set, first I think I better remove the visor. I have to remove the padding. Anyways, if you're able to see that there is a hole just over there, I decided to use this one. This one I have used in my other helmet. Just comes with one extra mic. One is like you can do this, and the one is like with wires. This one is flexible, so I decided to use this one. So it's done. I have set up this, and I think now I'm going to use the Velcro. One is done. The other one, I'm afraid you might not able to see this, but you got the idea. Just put that over there. Done. Let me just remove this first. Remember, the objective is wearing should be invisible, like this. So I have to careful because I have to use this button for. I was stuck actually because I thought this padding, both padding, I thought is fixed, but actually it's not. Yes. Oh. My God, this is so easy, and it took me more than 1 hour to figure this out. So there will go our communicator. Alright. So the earphone wire, you see that goes just under this upper padding, and as you see this here, so I have to careful about this jack actually. So maybe I can pull this up a little bit. I can actually now connect this jack
So I will set this up a little later. Now first I'll fix this one. So I will finally check. So it will go like this, and I will send this wire. Let me use something to push this little back. What maybe let me this where it is. Okay. Where to like this. Okay, now I think I can set the padding. First, I think I will send it back. So first so there is a hole for the mic, so I just put the connector inside that. So here is the position. I just put a tape over there and a tape over there. So far so good. And let me just okay, and maybe I just I guess Whew. Once again, the objective is the wire should be invisible. I guess I'm almost done. Just press the tip button. So I guess I need to test this.
So I guess I'm almost done. Now I have to check the sound. First I need to connect that. So now my Bluetooth headphone connected. So let me just connect to E6 Plus. Connecting is connected. Now let me play the song. So is it playing? I can't hear a thing. Sorry, it was a bit loosened. Yeah, it's playing. Let me just hear the sound. One problem is that when lights falls into this, I started to see some rainbow lights. Even I can see it right now. I just informed MT Bangladesh. They are sending me another visor. Hopefully I'll get it tomorrow. So I have to set up this chin mount, GoPro chin mount, action cam mount over there. Then I have to change the visor and fix this over here, and I'm all set. Sorry.
I don't want to be your half no more. Time for laughs, never ending broken hearts. I'll keep working hard through the dawn and through the dark. Someday I will see us apart.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.